Okay, guys, me and Cole are going to be doing this car because we're going to be just driving the car with the remote control, and we are just going to take turns. Like yesterday we did it, but
It didn't work out so well.
yeah, it was dark, so it didn't work out that good. So we're going to do it again. Let's go. It's hard to see now. Here, we'll just go to that P sign so they can see it. Here.
Epic fail.
And he drove it in the grass. He almost got in the grass again. And it's dead. Don't do that when it's in the grass because it wastes the battery. Did it? You can go in that grass. Keep going. Drive it on the grass in my front yard.
Okay.
It'll switch it back. So that's going to be it for today. Bye.